All right, I am leaving the little chalet in Groom, Texas, and the winds are much stronger today. I made my miles a little bit shorter today just because I wasn't sure how I could handle the wind and the cold. So today my destination is McLean, not really sure how to pronounce it, but Texas. I'll be on the I-40 frontage road, which is Route 66, and the sun is out. Hopefully it will do its job and start warming things up. But I've got about 35 miles today. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. Can you see the flags whipping behind me? Oh my gosh, I am in a direct headwind, Highway 70, and wow, it is just so cold. Hopefully this road is going to turn soon, because this is a brutal ride. Oh my gosh. I guess the frontage road must have disappeared next to I-40, as now got me on a dirt road. Luckily it's not for very long. Hey cows. Hey babies. Hi you guys. Nice to see you. Might be an unpaved road, but at least I have a tailwind. Oh, what a relief that is. I think I have to take this for another 3/4 of a mile. I don't know, this might be one of those weird Google or alternative routes. I think the frontage road put me back on I-40, and so to stay with biking directions, this is where Google's putting me. I do have the ACA maps, and I figured they were going to follow each other today because I was going to be on this frontage road, but apparently not. Back on pavement. That was a little adventure out here. Yeah, I'm not really sure what happened to the frontage road, but apparently it disappeared. All right, you guys, so I've made it to McLean, Texas. I am at the Cactus Inn, and funny story, I have actually been here before. Maybe 6 months ago, I was here with my truck and trailer. This is a harvest hoe. So I was parked in this dirt lot back here, and now I am back with my trike and trailer. The door to the room is very narrow, so I don't think I can get Myrtle in the room, but she is locked to a very secure bench, and there is like nothing going on here, so I think it's going to be just fine. Not ideal, but I think it's going to be okay. And I did, I think, 32 miles and about 750 feet of climbing today. It was really pretty tough conditions, very windy. The wind was from the south. It was at my right side or in my face. And the road conditions were, sometimes it was smooth, but a lot of times it was pretty rough chip seals. So I was either slowed down by the wind or the road conditions. I was on Route 66 all day and there was nobody on these roads. If two people passed me all day, I would be surprised. But the conditions were really, really hard. Let me show you guys around this room. It's a $65 and got my batteries charging here, refrigerator, microwave, little sitting area. Here's the bathroom. And tomorrow and the next day, the forecast is for very windy conditions. According to the people here, they said it's just always windy. They don't really even notice when the forecast says it's higher winds. It's also supposed to be quite a bit warmer tomorrow. And so I'll just have to see what that means. If the conditions are really tough, there's a place to stay about 20-25 miles from here. Otherwise, you know, if it's a tailwind, yeehaw, I could be in Oklahoma tomorrow. So yeah, pretty exciting. I feel like I'm really moving along on this tour. So, and as always, I really want to thank everybody for all your support. I love your comments. Oh my gosh, especially at the end of a day like today that was exhausting and just really cold, really tough. You know, seeing all your comments, it's, you guys are just doing really, really great. And I'm very, very appreciative. So, all right, thank you for following along and welcome to McLean, Texas.